Hey, just to give an update of what we announced this morning, WISeAI has announced the WISeAI artificial intelligence platform in cooperation with several startups here in Switzerland, and they are developing with us on new algorithms or artificial intelligence. So the way that works is that there's a lot of companies doing AI now and integrating AI in all kind of processes, making machines more intelligent, getting data to be data mined in order to make predictions on that data. So the focus of WISeAI has been more into how can we use AI for cybersecurity. So as you know, we have the WISE chips. Those are semiconductor chips that we are putting everywhere. Millions of those chips are installed around the world into devices that make the devices secure, IoT, the Internet of Things. So this is actually an antenna of the chip, and if you see the black dot, this is the HSM, is the hardware security model, is on this dot. Then WISeKey adds a dual factor authenticated key, the crypto keys, what we call the root of trust, that allows each of those devices, once they are connected to the internet, to be secure. So those devices do not have passwords, they have a digital certificate. So digital certificates are impossible to replicate it. So you cannot have two digital certificates for the same device. So we have been using that in many other big projects like e-voting, like counterfeiting technology, making watches unique, and now we are putting the same technology on the chips. This is an acquisition we made last year of a French semiconductor company, which has now been integrated into WISeKey. So what we are doing now is, because the chips are installed into routers, into cameras, into mobile phones, into traffic lights, into sensors, IoT, medical devices, so the usage of those chips is endless. The chips are sending the key, which is stored in the black dot, to the cloud, and the cloud detects that this device is authentic, and then the cloud says, okay, I trust you, then I'll let you go in. So imagine General Electric connecting engines and having the chips installing those engines and sending data that the engines are working well, and they are digitally signing maintenance logs, everything that the engine needs to be producing in order to tell the G cloud that those engines are performing well. Or smart cities, and they are sending information from sensors in the city to the city cloud, where the city knows that these devices are also performing well. So this is a trusted ecosystem on where devices are trusted. Now AI sits on the top of that. So what we manage is to get the identity which is stored into this device, to talk to the WISeAI, which is an artificial intelligence platform that collects that data, analyzes that data, and then allows to do predictions. So let's say that we install the chip on a car, on a smart car, and the car is sending data all the time to the cloud, authenticating every spare part of the car. Let's say that one spare part, the brakes of that car starts to not functioning well. So the AI algorithm, which is sitting on the cloud, can predict that this car is going to have an accident before that accident happens. So that's what WISeAI is the capability of using all the data generated by all the sensors that WISeKey is installing around the world, take decisions, take predictability models, and then inform our clients or customers that eventually something might be happening on how they can improve the performances of their products. Thank you.